Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Queen and Clarence. My boyfriend got me the cutest gift ever. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas. Happy New Year. Love you, Petty fam. Let's get into it.
To everybody, we all just woke up. We got on our matching pajamas. Say Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Where you from?
Legend, I hope you had a Merry Christmas. I love the matching pajamas. Those are very cute.
Up like that. Anyway, y'all, we have not opened our gifts yet. This morning we decided to eat Starbucks. We got some hot chocolate here. Clarence got some hot chocolate, but he forgot to say almond milk or oat milk.
It's water.
It's water. And then, of course, y'all know I gotta have my favorite. I'm not cooking. I know Thanksgiving. I cooked or whatever. I stood in the kitchen all day and my feet was hurting. So today we are getting a chef, which I'm really excited about. What's on the menu? Jerk chicken, baked mac and cheese, string beans.
What did you cook for Thanksgiving? Christmas?
Did we go out to eat for Christmas?
Oh, we didn't.
Look, he had to remind me. He said, look, you did not cook for Christmas. To be honest, y'all, I don't feel like Christmas needs cooking because we just had Thanksgiving. I'm sorry. I don't want to cook on Christmas. But we're about to eat this and then open our gifts. You can tell this man's from New York. Like, cause you got the whole fitted with your bitch. He put on a rollie.
He put on his green hat to match. Okay, see, Claire. And that menu sounds good, so I hope y'all enjoy the chef.
Got the Gucci socks on.
It's something calm.
But you look good, though.
Gucci socks. And he got a hat and he fly. He still fly. Okay, I see the watch. I see the hat. I see the beard. He fluffed out the beard. Y'all see that little fluffy beard? Yes, sir. Uh-huh.
Good. Me, I look like I just rolled out of
You
bed.
got Gucci glasses on. Don't do that.
I only got on Gucci glasses because
Gucci glasses. See, they matching that too. Okay. Y'all got matching Gucci. I see y'all. I mean, you know, Legend probably got Gucci socks on, you know.
I had those on 5 minutes ago.
because I had bags under my eyes, so I'm trying to hide them. And I already got pimple cream. I just don't want to look too like I rolled out of bed. But let me taste this hot chocolate.
And I think they use like dark chocolate. Which isn't bad.
It's not bad. You can just tell they use water. I got a cheese Danish. I freaking love cheese Danishes. Yes. Yes, y'all. I'm eating bread today.
I like the lemon loaf from Starbucks. That's good.
Sorry.
Back up, back up.
I can't back up no more. He said stop cheating.
He said stop cheating. He got designer shoes. He not playing with y'all. Y'all see Claire's shoes?
Stop cheating.
Back up, back up.
I'm voting for Legend. Go Legend.
Back up, back up. Start cheating.
But now you're too far. Come closer. Bruh.
See, he playing soccer. It bounced off his head.
Champion of the world.
The champion of the world.
Come tell them you're going to open your gifts. Come here. Come to the camera. Legend, come to the camera. Okay, he went to his gifts.
See, Legend a man after my own heart. When I was little, I used to just run to the gifts too. I'm like, yeah. Where's my gifts?
Come sit right there. Sit by Dada.
Okay.
Dada.
Yeah. Look.
All right, Legend, you want to open your gifts?
Open it. Open it.
Here, sit down.
Open it right
Right
here.
here, Legend. Legend. Come here, Papa.
Yeah.
Hey, Legend, you had to come over here and give us some sugar first. Ah.
Flip it.
Ooh, what is that? This is like his real first one. Like,
Yeah.
he really know what he's doing now. Look, he ripping this shit. He ripping this shit. Yeah, what is it?
Oh, what is it?
Big boy, you remember when they used to have to open his gifts for him? Now he got it. He like ripping it in sections. Legend ain't play with y'all. He said, I'm not gonna hurt my toy. That looks interesting. Looks like you could make a sandwich or something.
Turn around. Read it.
What is guys, in that counter.
Oh, do you like
Sandwich
it?
counter.
Oh. Oh, here we go.
Look at the bread.
You know your daddy from New York, when he buy you a sandwich toy, you know you gotta have deli meat, a deli sandwich. You know, I heard that's the way to go. The sandwiches be off the chain. I don't know. I gotta go. I gotta see what the difference is between that and Subway. But I know it's so much better because they perfected it down there.
You want to slice it? Look.
Make a sandwich.
Look, mommy's slicing it. You want to slice it?
Cheese.
Here, you slice it. Your turn.
Cute. I like you can slice the cheese and stuff. Wow. It just popped off.
Low.
Watch your fingers. Cut it.
Slice it. Yay! You want to slice the meat?
You want double cheese?
Yes.
You want to slice the meat? Okay. You got to slice it here. Slice the meat right here. Now slice it.
Slice.
Uh-oh.
Gotta hold it.
Try
Your daddy
it.
help you. Hold it. I'll hold it for you. Go ahead. Slice it. Slice. Slice. Ooh.
Ooh.
Wow. That's a pretty interesting game, though. You know, that's a big little plastic knife. But it's good that they learn how to make a sandwich. You know, that way when they try on their own, they know, you know, they can do it in real life. But that's a cute game. I would have never thought about a sandwich game.
Meat.
You want to slice more?
Okay. Two
Nice.
meats. One more. Oh.
Look, and you got lettuce.
This.
And you got a what's this?
I like them.
Tomato.
What's this?
Veggie chips.
Veggie chips. Okay, you want to open your...
Right. Good reading, legend. Okay. Tomato and veggie chips. Yes, sir. Wow. Y'all official. Y'all got chips. Y'all got veggie chips too. Okay. Wow, he gonna make everybody a sandwich today.
Next gift? You want to play with this another time?
You probably gonna love that.
Yeah.
Rip it.
Y'all, this is really the first year Legend is like for real ripping his gifts. Ooh.
By himself. Last year CJ had to help him because he didn't want to do it. I don't know if he was being lazy or not.
Nah, he just probably understand it more.
Ooh.
Ooh.
You want to get in there?
He looks so intrigued.
What does it say? Look, every
You
piece
wanna
gotta come
open
off.
Wow, 6-foot tunnel. I like it. He's like, yeah, let's get this started.
Okay, he's trying to open it, y'all.
What does it say? Read it.
Read it. What does it say?
Pop-up.
Pop-up play
play
tunnel. You want to get inside? Oh, you know what that is. Let me open it. Here, let mommy open it.
He's smart too, because he took it over there. He said, we need some more room for this. We can't do it right here.
Mommy, open it. Here. Are you excited? I can tell.
Oh, he got the happy dance. Oh, he really likes it. He's so excited. Legend. Oh my gosh. Way too cute.
He's happy, y'all. Whenever he starts randomly dancing, he's happy.
Okay. And this is why I got this, because it's easy peasy.
There's nothing better than seeing kids opening their gifts and being so happy. I mean, that is such a great time when, you know, you get all these gifts and it's like you got new stuff every year. God bless the kids who can't get gifts, but, you know, it's just really nice to see him so happy and just like, just enjoying life, you know? You're just feeling all the love, you know? He's so cute. Look at him.
I'm happy.
Aww.
You happy, Legend?
He said he happy too.
Good. Mommy just wants to see you happy.
No, don't step on it. That's another gift.
I wish DJ was here to open his gifts. I love when he opens his gifts. He be so excited. Legend! Crawl to daddy. Get inside over here. Get inside right here. Crawl to daddy.
Red. Blue.
Ooh.
Wow.
Yay, do you like it? Peekaboo. I see you.
Blue. Red.
You think mommy can fit in here?
No.
No. Can mommy fit inside? Can mommy go through? If I can get through here. I don't know, babe.
That's the funniest thing about Queen. She always gonna try. Well, that's what we love about her.
He's laughing. Look at mommy. Help mommy. Help mommy get it in.
Oh, no.
You better know you getting him mad, babe.
Oh, he don't want me to get in? Okay, I'll get out. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so.
He said, do not break my toy. You can't get stuck in there, because if you get stuck in there, I can't get in there. Woo, legend man. He say, don't do that no more. He says, mine.
Sorry.
No, he thought you was stuck.
Oh, he did? I thought he didn't want me to get in. Okay, I'm sorry. I will not get in there no more. I am so sorry I made you cry on Christmas. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I shouldn't have done that.
That's the worst part, too, about being little, because when you get upset, you can't just turn it off. When you start crying, you sad for real. You just really sad. You just cry. You forgot you was just happy. Poor thing. But he'll be fine. Watch. He gonna bounce back for the end of the video.
Come here. You crawl through there. Come on. Let mommy catch you. Ready? Come on. Ready? Ready?
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Aw, I'm sorry.
So you scared him.
I'm sorry. Oh, come here. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Dada.
I'm sorry.
He loves his mommy. Yeah, I can't scare him like that. I knew he was gonna do that
I
too.
thought he was mad because
No, he wasn't mad. He was happy when you was getting, but then when you said you was stuck, you.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay, Dada. Next gift. Come on, another gift.
Want to open another gift? Want to tear the paper? Come on, let's do that. It's okay.
He's like, yeah, let's go.
Come on, smile, baby.
Here,
I'm sorry.
You want Daddy to help you?
Yes.
Here, Legend, look, do this. Wipe your eyes, wipe your eyes. Come on, big boy. Big boy, wipe your tears. Give Daddy 5. Come on. Right? Big boy, show me your muscles. Yeah. Come on, help Daddy. Rip it, rip it. Rip it hard.
Ooh.
What is that?
Ooh.
You got a car? What color is that?
Red.
It's a Tesla.
I love this Tesla.
Yay, that's a nice car. I like that. Gee whiz.
Look, y'all. It's so cute. I think they seen this in a vlog when I was shopping for them. That's so cute. And then there's a little steering wheel.
Turn right. This way. Yeah. Hey, put your feet up.
Ooh. Come to mommy. Yep, steer it my way. Come on.
Move out my way.
Legend's about to open another gift.
Get hype. Yeah, boy, get strong. Get that out of there. Work that off, yeah.
What is that?
Interactive learning easel. Like that.
Practice learning easel.
You like
You get a
it?
pad, you get letters, you could draw. You like that?
Yes.
Aww.
You want to open it?
Yes.
Want to open it right now?
Yes.
So intrigued. You like it? I'm so happy. Yay. Daddy is putting together the easel. Legend's
You got
still on
more?
the board. Yeah. And Legend is so intrigued with them singing on the Grinch. Look at him. That's Clarence right there. I'm just playing. Can y'all believe that I never really seen the full Grinch movie?
You haven't seen no movies.
I've barely seen any movies, like, and then if I did, it's like I barely can remember it. I need to really like sit and have a classic movie marathon and just.
Seen Titanic yet?
I think I have seen Titanic. I just don't like Like if you sit and ask me questions about the movie, like I don't know. So Daddy put the easel all together and Legend is playing with it now. CJ's gifts is still over there and I still got a whole nother one that he needs. Actually, it's like a telescope. It didn't come yet. Hopefully CJ is having a good Christmas too, but it's just pretty different. But I'm happy Legend is finally old enough where he can finally like really enjoy his gifts and enjoy unwrapping the paper and stuff like that. Who are you writing out, Legend? Legend, CJ. He brought Momo. Who else? Titi.
Is Titi.
Yes, Titi. Who else?
Uncle.
Uncle. Who else?
Dante.
Yo, he said Dante from the label. He just used to everybody I talk to. Dante. I know he gonna feel special when he see this vlog. Legends open his last gift. Ooh. Ooh. Legend loves animals, so I decided to get him a magnet set. Look at all the animals. It's not a puzzle, baby. It's wooden magnets, so he could put it on the fridge. I want to show him what he could do.
Look at your animals. Stick it.
You can stick the animals on there.
Bear.
Alright, y'all, so Queen forgot one of the
I forgot
gifts.
to wrap this, but look, y'all. He loves puzzles.
It's a puzzle, Santa Claus puzzle.
It's not 100 one, but look. What's that?
For a jumbo puzzle.
You like puzzles?
Yes.
It's a Christmas puzzle. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Legend is putting together his Santa Claus puzzle, and I didn't even bother showing him like the outfits that I got him because I feel like he don't care about clothes at this age. He just care about the puzzles. But let me just give it a try. Legend, do you want to see her clothes?
No.
All right, that settles it. So I'm gonna just let him play. But I got him
He said, no, not interested in clothes. I want to just play with my puzzle.
a little essentials outfit for the summer. For when spring comes up, he'll still be able to fit it. And just like some, you know, kids don't like clothes. I thought that this was the cutest thing though. This little fuzzy robe. I wonder if he'll let me put it on. Legend, you want to put your robe on?
No.
No? Okay. So, I guess me and you can start opening our gifts now.
I'm gonna put that damn robe on. Just trying to finish the puzzle.
Merry Christmas, CJ.
Merry Christmas, CJ.
You okay, baby? You just woke up? Oh, I miss you. You got gifts over here.
Merry Christmas, CJ. I hope you enjoyed your time away. We'll see you soon. I'm glad we got to see CJ.
The tree, baby, and when you get home, you're gonna open them.
Cassie, you have a say in how to build our investment.
You gonna open some gifts today too?
Today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how you feeling?
Good.
You feel good? You just woke up, huh? You look like you had a long night. Give mommy a kiss. Mwah. I love you.
Love you too.
Alright, y'all. So it's gonna be our turn now. We're gonna start with Queen. So I'll give her a gift. I got my little mimosa here. You know what I'm saying?
Nice booty, baby. Booty all up in my face.
We start off small.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. And by the look at his bag, I'm already excited because I wanted this.
I got you more than what you wanted.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, there's more stuff in there. But
Okay.
so yeah, that's the cologne right there that you asked
Gentle
for.
Fluidity. Yeah, y'all. This is like literally one of my favorite. This is actually like top of top.
You ran out of your other one very quick.
Yeah, I ran out of it.
I
used
tried
it
to
on
get you the really big bottle.
Uh-huh.
They sold out. So I guess that's very popular.
It's very popular. Baby, this right here.
Have y'all heard of that one? I don't know. I gotta try it. But yeah, I'm glad she got some.
This is like thebomb.com. It smells so sweet and so feminine. Thank you, love.
No problem.
See what else is in there.
Oh, Baccarat. I never had Baccarat.
Yeah.
Is this a women's version or is it unisex?
I've never seen it before, so I wanted to get it for you. That's the body cream.
Oh, body cream, Baccarat. Ooh, I'm be smelling good.
So I can smell it now.
You can?
No, I'm
Ooh.
saying I can smell it on you. Like,
It will smell good.
imagine having like a lotion to your perfume. Like, that just smells crazy.
Ooh, this is pretty too, y'all.
So that's to the regular one, because they don't make a lotion to that one.
Uh-huh.
So I just wanted to get you like A little lotion too.
Ooh.
Cause I got that cologne like that. Let me smell your cologne.
This one?
Yeah. You know, all that cologne is unisex. So, you know, I can fuck around and throw this on.
I don't know about this one, baby. I don't know about this one.
You don't want me to use it?
This is like a candle.
Get your own. It's mine. My man gave this to me.
That's a candle.
Ooh.
Queen asked for smell goods and candles.
I'm getting to the age where I like candles. Getting up in age. Smells good.
She gonna have a whole spa day at home. I like that. You got the candles going. You got the lotions. You got the perfume. You good, girl.
Do you want to open something out, or you want to just keep giving me? Okay. It don't matter if everything was small. I'm just grateful.
Queen, I feel like it's a lot more difficult to shop for just because she doesn't ask. Not even ask for anything. I think the thing she asked for was so like common and normal.
I like normal stuff though. Like I really do.
Here's another normal item that you asked for.
Ooh, New Balances. But I like them. I love these. Y'all.
Nah, those are.
I wanted these.
I'm not gonna lie, those are gonna look very sexy.
Yay, it's so cute. I love them. I'm happy. Bruh, I don't care, bro. Like, I love these. People probably think that I'm crazy, the stuff that I asked for. Like, I asked for a Jeep. Like,
I love those too.
these.
That's something I agreed with Queen on. The Jeep, I didn't all the way agree with it, but I agree with it now. It's a beautiful car.
I love my car, and I love these shoes. Yes, I'll be wearing these out. Now we
shit's right
matching.
I tried to get Legend and CJ a pair, but I gotta order those.
Yes, I love these. These are so cute.
Alright, so that was New Balance. Smell good.
See, and that's good because, you know, you really have to shop for the person, you know. So like she said, not everybody into labels or whatever, you know. Sometimes you just need some like regular stuff, you know. So New Balance has been around. It's a shoe you like. It's a shoe you used to, you know. It's good quality. It's a good shoe, you know. And so people, you know, have different preferences in what they want. And, you know, like she said, she's getting older. Not really older, but to her, she's older. And, you know, she wants some more kind of pampering things, you know. And, you know, you need time, especially when you got 2 kids. You need time to just have some mommy time and just like sit in the shower a little bit more. Kind of have some you time by yourself while you're still there and everybody's around, you know. Get up early and or late night, try to relax a little bit.
Yeah, that was good. Those are good gifts. Thank you, babe. Y'all know we love a good Saxon fit bag. Ooh, Skims. I love Skims. Ooh, panties. Because I need more panties. Clarence always tell me I need to go panty shopping. Yes, thank you. He got me a bunch of...
That's a little thong set, I think.
It's a thong set, y'all. These are the colors. I got like a brown, white. Okay, and
The girl
these
said
are...
they was comfortable.
They're mad... No, I could tell. They're mad comfy. Can't wait to put these on and take these off. Thank you, baby.
We love you because you're corny, though. That's funny.
Very, very thoughtful and needed. Ooh, I saw this too. Thank God I didn't get it. I got the gray one. This is cute. This is a Skims dress, and y'all know I'm on my diet still, so I'm gonna be looking good. Think I look good in this? You wanna see me in this? My booty poke out.
I know that booty gonna poke out.
My booty gonna be poking out in this dress. Oh, you got the sweater that I wanted. He listens. The guy that listens.
If y'all go back and look at the lyric print, y'all gonna see that she sent me this hoodie.
I sent him this hoodie because I liked it. I like this. Thank you. I said I wanted
She said she wanted a lot of hoodies.
Yeah, I like hoodies. I really do. Even in the summer, I like hoodies. Hoodies and leggings.
She wanted clothes and hoodies.
Thank you, love. Ooh. What
More
is
hoodies.
this? Hoodies. Ooh. Oh, this is definitely gonna fit me. Nice. It's good quality too. I don't know about y'all ladies, but I love shopping in the men's section. Like, It seemed like
y'all women didn't have no hoodies.
Like it seemed like the men be having all like the cooler stuff. Thank you. Ooh, another hoodie. This is nice. This is fire. I'm gonna be flea. May you still say that word? You still say flea? I have no choice. I have no choice but to be flea. You know what I'm saying? With a flea nigga. Dang. Oh my God. I feel like you got more gifts for me than I got you.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about the number. Don't worry about that amount. I got you what you asked for.
Aw, see? That's love right there. He got her a lot of stuff. Now she feels special. She's just getting spoiled and everything. And like he said, it don't matter about the amount of gifts or the amount of how it costs. It's just really the thought and the love that goes behind it.
Oh, another hoodie. Okay. Oh, this is cute. I like this. This is cute. Look it right here, y'all.
That's a little Ami Alexander.
Heck yeah, because y'all, I'm sorry, it's cold as heck outside. Thank you.
I had to get your hoodie.
Baby, it's cold outside. Depending on where you are, it might have warmed up a little bit, but prayers out to those people who are stuck with the Southwest deal and like in the airports coming back. You know, people got to get back to work. So prayers for the airline people, prayers for the flights that they get back safely, and also prayers for like the aggravation, frustration, and extra money spent. And, you know, you got to figure out what to do with your kids if you know, had somebody babysitting while you was gone. Like, geez, that's a lot. But yeah, safe travels, everybody. Prayers for Buffalo. Hope y'all get out of all that snow, because geez. I heard it snowed a lot in Chicago too. So wherever it snowed and y'all got heavy snow, you know, God bless.
Hoodie game, right?
My hoodie game, right? Because to be honest, all my hoodies, like my closet, I have them, but I barely wear them. You feel me? Oh, I see a bag I like.
All right, this is the message to all men. Be careful when you go in this store, guys. Just be careful. It's not for the weak. Like as a man, pay attention to what you pick up, because you are gonna end up going to the cash register and putting certain shit back.
You put some back?
No, I didn't.
You didn't put nothing back?
No, I don't put nothing back. So that's you right there. And I was just picking shit for you. I just want you to look as beautiful as you can when you running your errands and working out and shit.
Oh,
so I got you both stuff. I got you stuff you can work out in, and you can just chill, run your errands in.
Lululemon is like, I remember Clarence used to tell me they got good leggings, well, good tights, and I used to be like, okay, you know.
They last a lifetime.
Bruh, when I finally went into Lululemon, like, oh my God, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the quality is so good.
You'll never buy another pair of tights again. The quality on that sweater is OD.
Like, what?
I just had to get that.
Oh, I love it. I love comfy stuff. Oh, shoot, this is so cute. I love me a good regular set. This is not regular, because,
Bro, this shit's expensive, bro. For a pair of tights, like 180, 185. I didn't know that. It threw me off. When I got it there.
Got a little cute set. I can't wait to put this on. Yes.
I'm going through the stores and they're like, oh, you're going crazy. Whoever your girl is gonna be a lucky person.
I am. I'm blessed. Yes, y'all.
So I got you a bunch of sets. What you could do is you could mix match them.
Yeah, I mean, I think they probably have like a men's section, but if you get your guy to go to a girl store, you doing well, queen.
Right.
Or you can match them however you like it. That's the top. I got you different tops to it, so you get it right.
Thank you. I'm so excited. The brown, I got me a brown set. I know I love brown, y'all. I really do. Oh, socks.
I got you a no-show socks.
You know I love my, he be making fun of me all the time for wearing these kind of socks, but they're so comfy. I'm sure these ones are comfy. Yes, brown.
Now those pants, they said those are the only pants that you might have to go in there and get a tailor. But they do it for free.
I think I'll be able to fit them. I think so. These are cute.
I'm not sure about those. If you don't like those, you can return them, but that's just their newest collection. So
No, these are cute. Look, y'all.
Look at that color.
Look at that. Thank you,
that's
honey.
The top you could go with.
Just put with anything.
They go with all the pants.
Thank you, baby. I'm excited.
I like the hood in the back of that. You know, the little arch in the back. The little flap or whatever. It's cute.
I'm happy.
Glad you like it.
Thank you.
You're missing like 3 colors, so.
It's okay. I can always go back. Thank you, honey bun.
All right.
Prada, okay.
We went Prada this year.
We went Prada.
We usually go Balenciaga, but we went Prada this year.
Clarence, tell them how you was just looking at the store and it was just empty.
Empty, bro. And it's like, bro, the guy that I shop with all the time, he's looking at me through the glass like, bro, are you gonna walk in here? And I'm walking past him like, oh.
Sorry, guys.
Can't get caught in there, gang. Taking a Balenciaga break.
Yeah, for sure.
You guys need a break. Think about what you guys did.
Nah, that is mad crazy though. Oh.
You already seen it.
Oh.
Hey, we just saw that look with Legend a couple minutes ago. Now she's happy. She's really happy. Look at her. She didn't know what to say.
I've seen this. This is fire. I love gold. Oh my goodness. I feel like Beyonce.
The new collection.
Yes.
If you guys do remember, last year, I bought her the silver collection.
Oh my God.
You remember
I
that?
love it. Yes.
And now you got the silver one and the gold one. I feel like I've bought you like about 6 Prada bags. I'm sorry if it kind of seems redundant, but I walked in the store and they said you would love that. And then
I love it.
Jukes also said you pointed at it and you said you loved it.
Yeah.
So I just had to get it for you.
I do. I love this. Wow. And I love gold so bad. Like, I love gold real bad, y'all. Like, real bad. Yes. I'm so happy. Thank you. Oh my God. Thanks.
Okay. But you know, I can't just get you the purse. I feel like you need something to go with it. Wear with it. Like that.
Where? What could it be? Look how you got your feet crossed.
Boy, if you don't
You got his feet crossed. Oh. You know what? You know me. Cause one thing about me, I love a heel, but baby,
That's a nice heel. I like it. Ow.
they gotta have a, oh my God. These are so pretty. Wow. I could wear a cute little black dress with this in my purse. I love it.
Show it with the purse.
Oh my God. I feel like Beyonce. I'm sorry. I feel like Beyonce. Look at that. Oh my God. This is so fire. This is fire. You want to take me off this?
I'm gonna take you off and throw that on.
I love it.
That's what you know she liking this. She want to wear it right now. She like, I got a dress to go with this. I got all my essentials. I got my smell goods. All right, girl, have fun.
Like I dead ass love these.
I think the food here too is litty.
Thank you, baby. Y'all, that was so good. Intermission real quick. I think the food is here. All right, so if y'all guys don't remember, this is our chef, Tony.
Oh, G-Chef.
We got
Hi, Chef Tony.
roasted jerk wings,
Yes.
macaroni
Oh,
and
my
cheese.
Lord.
We got some honey butter rolls, homemade rolls. At that.
Oh, yes. Look, he's excited.
Sauteed string beans.
Yes, my favorite. I ain't making greens ever again.
We got some sweet potato mash.
Yes.
Honey butter on top.
Banana pudding.
And a pudding.
Oh, that look good.
And red velvet cinnamon roll cookies.
Yes, y'all, and that's our Christmas meal. Thank you so much. Oh, he got us some
Little
Prosecco, and y'all, yes, I'll be having me a little sip. This is what it's giving y'all. The plate. That looks amazing. Now that our intermission is done, it's time for the king himself to be spoiled with his gifts. Yes. Let's start with this bag. It has multiple items in there.
Oh,
Yeah.
look exciting in here.
What could that be? Oh, I'm sorry. Babe, I know you said something about Christian Clyde, but you said it after the fact. These freaking colognes
Oh, nice. Babe, I don't.
smell so good. This is the
It's a Ventus.
A
I don't got
Ventus?
this one.
Aventus, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. I came downstairs to the men's section and that's all I smelled, and I was like, no.
Yeah, I really do appreciate this because I don't know if it's gonna get older, but like I've been infatuated with like cologne. Not like any cologne. Like I like finding like them rare ones or like just them expensive ones, and I feel like my taste
is changing.
It's changing, yeah.
Like to what?
The Gucci Guilty, it probably would never touch his body again.
Oh wow,
okay.
That's okay. Well, this Aventus, y'all. I wish y'all could smell it through the camera, cause baby, like my eyes rolled in the back of my head. It smells so good.
Pretty smart. You get the one that you respond well to. So, your girl like your cologne. It's a good one.
Can I smell it again? It smells so freaking good to me.
Rich man.
On your body, though, with your scent, it's gonna smell so good.
Wait, now I got
on
the bottle. I got on Santel.
Yeah,
the
Santel.
I should mix it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Never rub it. Never rub it.
No, don't rub it?
Never rub it.
Oh, just dab it.
Dab it.
Oh, look at you.
Never rub
Where you get that from? Who told you that?
Expensive colognes you never rub. It ruins the longevity of it. You want to just dab.
Just dab it.
So,
see, Claire always teaching us stuff. Okay, dab, dab, dab.
Just seeks right into your skin. Grown man shit. Tips from Clarence 101. Amazing.
Clarence, that smells so good. Like, I'm not even, yo, I wish I could wear that.
That's one thing. You gotta smell good, yeah. Like, that's just one thing.
I'm sorry. If you don't smell good, if you ain't got no scent to you.
I feel like that's one thing, like.
A man should smell good.
And especially as a man now, but a woman too. Like,
women should smell good.
Yeah, both. I think a woman should always smell good. So, it's not just the gender, but I just feel like we gotta control the things we can control. You can't control how you look. You can't control what your face look like. You can't control how long your hair is. You can't control how perfect your teeth is. You know what you can control? How good you can smell. How good you can maintain your nails and your, like, just the stuff that you can control.
Upkeep.
Upkeep the shit that you could.
I mean, you low-key can't control your face, though. You just go get surgery, but, you know.
Nah, that's beast. All right, so we got another cologne?
Yes, baby. This
I
one,
love my cologne.
let me tell you, I'm sorry.
Creed again? This is Silver Mountain Water.
Yo, I'm wearing this too. It's unisex. I'm sorry.
I got mad Creed.
I got it. No, babe. This one, oh my God. I was stuck between the two.
Oh, this is the white bottle.
Oh my God. Y'all, like I was literally like, the other one I rolled my eyes back, but this one is like, I twitched. Like I had like a twitch. But this is unisex.
Always let it breathe.
Oh my God. This one, yo, I don't know.
Nah, that's a tough pickup.
That's tough.
But I like this one too.
Let's show the bottle. Yeah.
This one right here is a little more me. I would say that.
Yeah.
Like this fits.
What's your other colognes?
Well, like it kind of reminds me like an everyday scent.
Oh my God, it's so good.
The other one
is night.
It's kind of like nighttime.
Going out.
Pop out.
That's your cologne. He said he keeps smelling his hand, y'all.
Yeah, I think the white one.
The white one is, I do like the white one better. That's the one I could wear.
Like caught my nose. Like I keep smelling my right hand. First box. Those 3 boxes in there. This is the first one. Okay. Some Harry Preston stuff. Good long sleeve.
Juice said that was nice. Do you like the way it looked?
Yeah, I fuck with it.
I feel like he would wear that.
I'll wear this. And we got some HP sweats.
It looks like you.
I like this.
It looks like you would wear them. It has a skull. He likes stuff with skulls on it.
I don't like stuff. It just happened.
Yeah, he said, don't start that rumor.
That I bought something with skulls in. Thank you. Fuck with them sweats. No Lanvin.
I got him the Lamin shirt because I feel like it goes with your shoes.
I got the shoes for this.
Look.
I got the sneakers to go with this gang. That's mad funny.
Look, y'all.
Ooh.
That's fire.
Check it out.
That's fire. I think that's fire. I wish I would have bought it for me, but because I got the same one.
You know what's funny? I was gonna buy this for you.
Really? I love that.
You have the same sneakers.
Yeah, I love it.
But they didn't have your size.
You better wear that too, babe. That's nice.
I'm gonna definitely wear it.
I think you should wear it with the shoes, though. I know you don't like to be matchy.
No, I'm gonna wear it with the shoes for sure.
He don't like to be matchy, but I feel like, I mean, you could always put some nice jeans with that. And
I see these.
You kind of had to wear those two together to understand the whole concept.
you know you gotta have your short shorts.
I see these too.
I love those. I feel like you would love those.
When I was in the thing, Juice was like, bro, these are you right here. I'm like, nah, these are me.
Y'all know Clarence got it.
Palm Angel. Sure. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
We got another box. Where you going?
Yeah. Oh. Sorry.
She getting too ahead of herself. You talking about I got you more, like, this is a lot already. Like,
Yeah, but
you got me getting a little nervous right now. What's this?
That is a...
Yellow sweater.
Let me tell you why I got this. I love it, though.
Helmet?
I know it's killer. Helmet Lane, but look at the back. Nigga, I'm from New York.
Right.
It's so nice.
Fine, look at the back guy.
Yo, I love him in certain, like,
New York.
colors. Red is one of them, but, like, I like when he wears brighter colors like this. Like the orange, the yellow.
This is nice.
You like it?
Yeah. It's like an article. Like an old school article. Look at the sleeve. New York photographer.
Nice. That's nice. All right, let's switch it up. We'll go back to clothes soon. Louis.
Oh, so this is not clothes.
Oh, wait. It might be. Dang. Take it.
I know we love some Louis, man. Louis is like one of my favorites. Oh, Tay. What is this right here?
That is a nice piece to have. I know you say you like long sleeves. They didn't have it, but...
What color is this?
This is black, baby.
I have this.
Stop! You have that?
Yeah.
Clarence.
I do.
Oh my
I
God.
gotta double check. I know I got
No,
this
babe,
shirt.
you don't have the black one.
I know I got this shirt.
You got black.
I got a dark color.
Okay, you probably got blue.
Maybe I got navy blue.
You got navy blue, Clarence.
Okay.
You don't have black.
You don't want me to have black.
No, you don't have black, honey bun.
Okay. If this is black.
Do not want to take it back. You hurt her feelings, Clarence. Just say you don't have it. Or maybe she can take it and y'all can match again.
I think I
You
have
got
a navy blue one, yeah.
Wait, I'm about to run upstairs and check. Hold on. Let's check. No, babe. It's navy blue.
I got black and blue.
Right, but you gotta wear them, babe. We going out, okay? All
How
right.
you know my size in Louis Vuitton? You check? You smart.
I'm smart. I'm a smart girl.
Good tea. I put that back in the box because Legend will
She is.
slide by and wipe all the
Boogers, Cheetos.
boogers, cheese on your shit. Not even warn you, like. Okay, Prada. We went Prada this year. We're proud of each other. She's proud of me, gang.
Prada.
Oh, this would be a nice addition to your collection.
It's a box inside of a box. Oh, this is fire. Oh, shit. It's a messenger?
Yep, and it has a the thing is inside of it.
Oh, this is fire. All right, it's fire. I like it.
I know they had a black one, but babe, you got a lot of black stuff.
Yeah.
Like you got black,
I don't need it. I be needing some
black
colors.
Louis. And the first pocket, I think it's thoughtful because the biggest pocket is for your phone and the smaller one is for your wallet. So whenever you just want to go out, like, and you only need those two things, you just snap them on there. You wear it. Nice. Of course, you would have to unloosen it a little bit, but
Yeah, it's a little tight on me, but
it's because you got to unloosen it. But it's fire.
I got the wallet. It's like a wallet joint. I could put my cards in there.
Yeah. All right, now. There you go.
Oh shit, a Mary.
You ain't see that over there, Rick?
I didn't see that.
If I'm not mistaken, I think I have some stuff in there for the kids too.
Okay.
So, yeah, this is yours. I thought you would like these. I think they're fire. I like the color.
Purple joints?
Yeah. I think they're fire.
I gotta get the purple hoodie now.
See, I was gonna get you the purple hoodie, but I didn't know if you wanted to go matchy-matchy. You feel me?
No, that's a good, like it's like a quick fit.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah. Look, y'all. A Miri cam.
Right. Can't go wrong with a pair of Miris, man. Quick little fit. Ooh. Ooh. Yo, you know what? You so lucky because I was gonna get this.
You was?
In Miami, I was gonna buy this.
Oh,
There's
well.
a shorts that come with
Yeah, I know. I didn't get the shorts because I didn't think you would be matching it. You never say you're gonna wear stuff together, so I just don't do it.
it. Nah, I would've worn the shorts. I would
would've?
have worn the shorts with this. Yeah.
Dang, I should have got the shorts.
Nah, you good, man.
Dang. I think this one. Oh, this is
That's hard.
for CJ. The hoodie for CJ.
I wanted to get them a Miris, bro. They didn't have their size.
I know. They barely had Legend
Yeah.
size. It's a Miri hoodie for CJ and the Miri sweats to go with it. I think I got this for Legend.
Okay,
Oh yeah, Legend got the hoodie too.
Good pair. Good pair. You be knowing.
Legend got the hoodie. And he got
Gotta
the
go
shoes.
low top.
I love these
Gotta
shoes.
go
because-
low top.
Legend
You want more
shoes.
Mary sneakers and go low top.
Bro, you wanna know the thing? they never have clothes for Legend, but they never have shoes for CJ.
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey bun.
That's some Mary Tangs.
Boom.
Okay. I seen this bag over there.
I know you said you want a book bag, but babe, honestly, you're gonna wear this more than a book bag, and we can always get more go-yard stuff. I just, like, in my heart, I feel like you'll wear a crossbody more than a book bag. Oh, that's fire.
This is dope.
That's fire.
This is fire. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My first go-yard piece, yeah. Why you have to go get it?
Cause I didn't wrap it. It was my car.
Queen be chatting. She be talking all. I think you got more gifts. Oh, I see the status. Where's my drink? Oh, I need my drink for this.
You said what you wanted, and so I listened to you. So.
I forgot what I wanted.
Well, you said it out your mouth. You didn't write it down. So you can open this one.
See now that it's. You talking about? I
What?
got more gifts.
No, I feel like I have more.
More? You with the status? You with the status?
Here, let me actually bring the camera up here. He said he wanted a regular gold Cuban link, y'all. And I got the same size as your other one, almost. It was the biggest one he had. Cause he loves gold, and I feel like he don't always want to go.
This is fire right here.
Said that you wanted another
Another one.
You said you want another ring.
Oh my god.
You like it?
I love it.
Oh, he got another ring. I feel like the other one is this.
Is this what's this? A finger?
That's a finger ring. Your other one's like more for pinky.
That's my wedding finger, right?
I mean, you can wear on your other. I think the wedding finger is the left for men.
I want to get stuck. It's the left hand.
I like that. That's nice. I don't want your other one.
I fuck with this.
But y'all, if he wants to go back, this is the thing. I said if he wants to go back, he can go back and like trade it in, get whatever he wants.
Shout out to status though. Appreciate it again. Too.
It's the thought that counts. So.
I love this stuff. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome. I got one more gift for you, okay? Here you are.
Nice stuff. I think he likes it. I think he'll keep it.
I feel like
Oh shit.
I decided to update your camera. This is the one that Chris, the one that looked
I
up.
was just about to say, did you talk to Chris?
Yes, I talked to Chris, and he got it for me, and this comes with the lens, the temporary lens. You can get they didn't have the other one, but this is like way better than the one you have. And the microphone.
If I use this for YouTube, did you see my last video?
Yeah.
From Miami?
Yeah.
This is how it would look.
No, I didn't see that video from Miami.
This is how it would look if I use this. Like, it would look like a movie. Like, my vlogs would look like a movie. This is a great gift. I love this. I want to play with this right now. Pause.
So, those were all C's
I'm a nerd.
gifts.
Like, a lot of people don't know, I'm a nerd. Like, I'm
We love you anyway. But no, it's the fact that you can tell those pixels and stuff like that. You know, I know that's they profession about like you know, recording and, you know, vlogs and editing and stuff like that. But I really, honestly, I can't tell the difference between the Miami one and this one because they're both good quality cameras. But I know there is since they said it was.
a little bit of a nerd. I love to learn, and I like new technology. Like, this shit get me excited.
That right there. So, I mean,
Probably out of everything here.
Really?
Yeah, like, bro, a camera? Like, this camera is like... How much was this? I know that...
It's like...
4?
Around there. Around.
I guess I really like it because now I don't gotta buy it. Aw, Dada, what?
Oh, poor
bread?
Legend's hungry. Okay, we about to feed Legend. You hungry,
You want
Papa?
bread, Dada? Thank you,
All right, y'all. So we're just gonna go ahead and end this vlog out. We never got a chance to. We hope that you all had a good Christmas. We know that our last video, I told you guys to comment under done and all the rules. We will be going through the comments today and picking a winner. I don't know if we're gonna announce the winner. Oh, by the way, look, y'all. Legend put on his little robe. Ain't it cute? He's so cute. If you win, we're just gonna either DM you on Instagram. Only if you put your Instagram name. The only way you can win is if you put a point of contact. If you just put done, like, we don't know how to contact you. Only way we can contact you is through
email or DM.
Email or DM.
Yeah.
And email if you don't have an Instagram. So we will be going through the comments today, and we'll just be randomly picking. And yeah, that's about it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know y'all been asking for longer vlogs. Clarence, he got this music up so loud. What was you just watching, babe?
Black Adam.
Black Adam. Yeah, he was just watching that. So that's what y'all hear in the background. Yeah, that's about it. We're going to end this. We're going to figure out what we're doing for the New Year's. We wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And yeah.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you guys, man.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell, become part of the Noto Squad.